In 1919, the Dodge brothers delivered one of the most innovative support vehicles ever built for wartime logistics, the M1918 light repair truck, officially designated the G10. This open cab pickup was purpose-built by Dodge and Inslee Manufacturing for the U.S. Army as a mobile repair vehicle, and it played a vital role during and after World War I. Under the hood sits a rugged four-cylinder side-valve gasoline engine, rated at approximately 24 horsepower, featuring a magneto ignition and hand-crank starter. No electric start involved. Behind the driver lies a simple yet robust 3-speed manual transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels, making this a rear-wheel drive vehicle. The entire chassis was small but effective, with a wheelbase of around 4'2" and weight just under a half-ton. With a length of 157 inches, a width of 72 inches, and a height of 78 inches, this compact utility truck was agile and maneuverable. Its maximum speed topped out at about 60 kilometers per hour, or roughly 37 miles per hour, fast enough for support duty without sacrificing durability. Inside, the light repair truck carried specially designed steel bodies, built by Inslee Manufacturing, filled with mechanic and carpenter tool chests, spare parts, lubricant containers, and service supplies. It was issued to heavy motorized regiments, ammunition trains, machine gun battalions, and mobile ordnance repair units. In essence, it introduced the concept of the modern contact truck, a vehicle that brought essential repairs directly to wounded machinery in the field. Only about 1,012 vehicles were produced at the Dodge factory in Hamtramck, Michigan. Despite modest production numbers, they were a reliable presence across American Expeditionary Force operations in Europe and continued in domestic service after the war. Few units survive today, but examples remain at museums such as Fort MacArthur and the Pennsylvania Military Museum, with a handful preserved in private collections. What sets the M1918 apart is its elegance through simplicity. The open cab design offered ease of access, while the unusually durable hand-riveted body panels enabled field repairs. This truck operated without reliance on complex electrical systems. Magneto ignition worked without a battery, and the spring-loaded crank started the engine safely. Observers at the time marveled at how it provided essential mechanical support with minimal fuss. The truck's rear tool trays and cabinets could be accessed from the outside, making it easy for mechanics to grab tools without climbing into the cab. Even though many of these trucks never saw European combat, they served faithfully on American training bases, arsenals, and ammunition depots well into the 1920s. The Dodge M1918 light repair truck may have been compact, but its impact was outsized. As the first purpose-built contact truck of the U.S. Army, it laid the groundwork for modern mobile maintenance vehicles. It represents a pivotal moment when motorized support began catching up with the pace of war. If you enjoyed this story of innovation and rugged simplicity, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you do not miss your next journey into the world of historic vehicles. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more unique military support vehicles from the early 20th century.